This is the VOA Special English Education Report. Two new studies have investigated why fewer females compared to males study and work in the so-called STEM subjects in the United States. Those subjects are science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The American Association of University Women examined existing research. Its report, called Why So Few, also suggested ways to interest more girls and women in the STEM fields. The researchers found that cultural and environmental factors make a difference. Researcher Christian Corbett says more boys than girls score very high on math tests in most countries. She says Iceland and Thailand are exceptions. In those countries, more girls than boys score above the 99th percentile in math. The other studies were carried out by the campus company for the Bayer Corporation in the United States. It asked more than 1,000 women and minority members of the American Chemical Society about their experiences. 77% said not enough women and minorities are working in STEM professions today. This is because they were not identified or urged to study those subjects in school. Bayer USA Executive Director Rebecca Lucore says its study produced results similar to the AAUW research. She says the survey showed there is still a lot of work to be done. Rebecca Lucore notes that students says their interest in science begins before the age of 11. So it's important to have science programs for students in elementary school. Why it is so important for girls and women to be involved in science? Christian Corbett has one answer. She says increasing diversity in professions leads to better products and better science. Expanding and developing this science and engineering workforce is important for the nation's productivity and competitiveness. Rebecca Lucore says scientific professions need more and better workers. She says all citizens should understand science, and she says it's important for everyone in the workforce to be able to think creatively, work in teams, and adapt to change. And that's the VOA Special English Education Report. Is science a popular field of study for girls in your country? You can comment at our website at voaspecialenglish.com. You can also find us on Facebook.